Everyone, this is UR15CST53 and today I'm going to show you my sixth experiment which is based on interference, like the interface. Like what is an interface actually? Like it's a reference type in Java. Like it is similar to class we use in C++. Like it is a collection of abstract methods a class implements an interface, thereby inheriting the abstract methods of the interface. Along with abstract methods, an interface may also contain constants, default methods, static methods, and nested types. Method bodies exist only for default methods and static methods. And writing an interface is similar to like writing a class, but a class describes the attributes and behaviors of an object. An interface contains behaviors that a class implements. Unless the class that implements the interface is abstract, all the methods of the interface needs to define the class. And moving on, like interface can contain like any number of methods, but it should be contained with a file with a .java extension and with the name of the interface matching the name of the file. A byte code of the interface appears in .class file. An interface appears in package and the corresponding bytecode file must be in a directory structure that matches the packing name. So this is was the introduction about interface. Let's see the program in the NetBeans. I'm declaring with account table, void, and balance inquiry with my four strings. Then I will go in the display center. Then I'm also using the which I'm using my file to display the output. Then I will be using the current account, the main program which I've made. Similarly, I'm going to start my inheritance file here. Then I'm getting the getter and setter method syntax to input the phone number and the name of the file. And then I'm using public void display and for display for deposit and the withdraw items. In the printout, you can see that the user will be asked to enter the amount of the withdraw. If suppose if you do not have the sufficient amount of balance, then it will withdraw it. Then if you have withdrawn some amount, then with that how much amount you have from your account you have withdrawn, that thing will be shown in the output. And at last you will be shown that what your account number has, like how many deposit it has got. And finally, but not the least, it will show the remaining balance in the deposits. And the accountable for which I showed you earlier has run the program in the inheritance. The final program which using inheritance, I'm using the same scanner file for input and output. And for savings account and for different accounts, I'm using here the switch and the break case which I'm using here. In the output file, I'm using four things like enter your name, enter your phone number, enter initial deposit amount, savings account created, and please choose from the following operations like deposit, withdraw, and balance inquiry. And then I'm using the following details like enter your name, enter your phone number, and enter initial deposit amount, and enter amount created. And then it will be asked to choose from the following operations using the get status method. Let's run the program. Let's see how it's going to be. Create an account. Let's suppose I choose savings account. Following details like it. And I'm going to enter my name, my phone number, initial amount. Let's say 5,000. So this is my savings account has been created. Now if I want to like withdraw, deposit, or balance inquiry, I can get. Suppose I want to withdraw it. If I want to withdraw, so I suppose 2,000 I have to withdraw my program. So it's saying that yeah, 2,000 account has been withdrawn and only 3,000 has been remained. Now let's see balance inquiry. In balance inquiry, it's seen that 3,000 rupees is deposited. Now let's report some more amount of money as I'm getting richer. Let's enter 3,000 rupees. So the amount deposited 3,000 and earlier was 3,000, so the net sum was 3,000. So now let's see account details. So account details is my name is this coming this, my phone number is coming this, and my balance is coming this. So this was which I was using earlier. And suppose I have to run the second thing, this is the current account. What I will be showing is the current account. Again, I will be entering my name, enter my phone number, I will be entering my phone number. Initial deposit, let's say 6,000 rupees. So yeah, account has been created from the current operation, that is a current saving. The same thing as a saving account was doing. Now let's see account details. So account details showing this is my number, this is my name, and this is my account balance. Now let's withdraw some money. Let's suppose I'm withdrawing 5,000 rupees. So the amount left is 1,000 rupees and the amount I withdrawn is 5,000 rupees. So this was a simple program. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this.